Hi guys, welcome back to the home and homestead. Today we'll be doing one of a 3-part series of planting in various containers. And today we'll be getting our containers from the kitchen. So what I have here is actually a metal colander that I found at a village-wide rummage sale last weekend. It was in the free box. And here is an antique mixing bowl that's very similar to one I have that's a bit larger. That was my grandmother's. So every time I look at this, I will think of my grandmother. So let's get some soil in these containers. We'll put some plants in there. All right, so we have some potting soil in here. Again, I'm using the all-purpose Pro Mix, and I moistened the soil. What I'm going to do in this colander is I bought 3 varieties of greens or lettuces. I have arugula, green leaf, and red leaf lettuce, and I'll plant that inside this colander, and then I can use this to harvest throughout the summer just to make a quick salad or to put on top of sandwiches or hamburgers. So I thought this was a cute use of this kitchen product or this kitchen item. And you can look out or think outside the box when you're trying to find something to plant your various plants in. So each of these lettuce containers actually have different clusters, so I'll kind of space them out. There's 3 in each of the green leaf and red leaf. I'll kind of lay them out loosely how I'll plant them. And the arugula has quite a few in there. So I'll just kind of stagger the green leaf and the red leaf, and I'll go around in a circle here. And since it's a colander, this has excellent drainage. So when you harvest the lettuce, you'll just take the outer leaves out and leave the middle ones in so that it can keep producing. Let's get the arugula in there. I saw some of these at the garden center, and they had them really packed in there. So I'll put the arugula in the middle, and then the various leaf lettuces on the outside. Alright, so I'll give this a little water. I have a little saucer to put underneath it to collect any water. That I just picked up at a thrift store. I thought it was a nice saucer for underneath a plant or under a pot. I'm glad I picked it up because it fits under here perfectly. I can't remember if that was something I had in my Goodwill haul a few videos ago. Alright, so the colander is all finished with the lettuce. So now we'll work on planting a little annual flower. This would be really pretty little yellow flowers. It's a Goldilocks annual. going to tease the roots a little bit here. There you have it, an edible planted container plant using a colander from the kitchen, and an annual flower plant using a small mixing bowl from the kitchen. They're pretty to look at, and this one has significance because it's very similar to one that my grandmother had in a larger mixing bowl. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and it gives you inspiration to think outside the box when choosing your containers to plant plants or edibles in, or herbs. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up. Hope you're having a great day. It's time. Take